Welcome to the Rusted Garden Quick Tips. This is a tomato plant that grew inside my house and it was supposed to be a tiny tin, but it's something larger. I'm hoping that it's a black cherry. Because it was grown inside, it was not used to the UV rays of the sun, and I want to show you something not to worry about. You don't want this to happen, but if you see this pattern, see how the leaf looks bleached out? That is not due to any kind of disease, any kind of nutrient deficiency or overfeeding. This is all from the UV rays of the sun actually damaging the leaf and bleaching it. So the lower leaves will die off. It'll look something like that. Future damaged leaves may have that, papery white look to it. Your plant can recover as long as the sun doesn't damage the stem. The plant's going to be fine. It's going to produce new leaves. And a way to prevent Sunscald from happening, allowing your tomato plant time to really get used to the sun, is to take any plant, tomato plant or other plants, from the indoors outdoors slowly. And that means over a 7-day period, and I can't give you an exact way to do it because it's going to vary based on your temperatures, if it's a sunny day, if it's a rainy day. But you want to go slowly. Maybe first day 30 minutes outdoors, second day 45 minutes outdoors. If it's a cloudy day, you could stay out a little bit longer. If it's a really sunny day and warmer, not so long. On the 4th, 5th day, an hour or so, maybe 2 hours, and then you're going to leave your tomato plant out maybe on the north or east side of your house where it gets morning sun. And over that week period of time, your tomato plant or your other plants should be used to the wind, temperature changes, and they're not going to get damaged leaves like this from being scalded by the sun. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of quick tip videos, 2 or 3 minutes long, and I'll have my other standard videos. Again, thanks for watching.